Anyone who has ever been to Trader Joe's knows exactly what I'm talking about. What is the thing you must do in Trader Joe's? Think about it, think about it, think about it. The answer is go to the back and get a free sample. And that's what I did. I went straight to the back, I got my free sample. It was this super yummy, cheesy, bready thing, and it was amazing. I put it into my mouth, I ate it, it was delicious. As I was about to leave, I went to the lady who was serving it and said, hey, thanks so much for that free sample. And she said, oh, you're welcome. And as I started to turn, she said, you know, I've been here for 2 hours and you're the first person that has said thank you. What? 2 hours and no one else said thank you. And it got me wondering, in our communities, in our organizations, in our teams, how many times are we just skipping past these moments where we could have that human-to-human connection? What we like to call those micro actions. Are there ways you can instill these micro actions into your team? Can you celebrate someone who does a micro action? Maybe you could put it into your core values. Maybe you can have a little competition. Who can do the most number of micro actions within your team? Or maybe you could even assign someone to be the micro actions captain. And their job is to make sure that these micro actions happen, because while they seem small, they have a large impact on creating that culture connection to help your people feel welcome, connected, and engaged. My name is Tom, and I'm here to help you to engage your people. See you next time.